Welcome to Motorsports Mania, the home of high-performance engineering, future car tech, and everything motorsport. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the decade, the 2026 Porsche 918. This machine doesn't just carry forward the legacy of the original 918 Spyder from 2015, it completely redefines it. Packed with cutting-edge hybrid technology, futuristic aerodynamics, and performance figures that push the boundaries of what's possible on both road and track, the 2026 Porsche 918 represents the future of Porsche's hypercar philosophy. Let's explore every detail, from specs and design to driving dynamics and technological innovation. The 2026 Porsche 918 builds upon the DNA of its legendary predecessor but pushes every parameter far beyond its limits. While the 2015 model was a revolution in hybrid performance, the new generation goes full tilt into next-gen electrification while preserving Porsche's signature driver connection. Visually, the 2026 model carries a silhouette that's unmistakably Porsche yet radically evolved. The wide, low stance is still there, but now enhanced with active aerodynamics that continuously adapt to driving conditions. The front end features slimmer LED matrix headlights, deeper air intakes, and a redesigned splitter system that helps increase downforce without compromising efficiency. Built on an all-new lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the 2026 918 is lighter and stiffer than ever before. Porsche's engineers have focused intensely on weight optimization despite the increased size of the hybrid system. The overall dry weight is estimated to be just under 1,600 kilograms, which is remarkable considering the battery pack and dual-motor setup onboard. This aggressive weight management has allowed Porsche to keep the car agile, precise, and immensely responsive in corners. Under the rear deck sits a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that's been re-engineered to produce more power while improving thermal efficiency. This combustion engine alone delivers approximately 720 horsepower, while two high-performance electric motors, one mounted on the front axle and the other integrated into the rear, contribute an additional 450 horsepower combined. That brings the total output of the 2026 Porsche 918 to a staggering 1170 horsepower. This tri-motor hybrid layout not only gives it mind-blowing acceleration but also enables true torque vectoring for razor-sharp handling dynamics. Power delivery is controlled by a revised version of Porsche's 8-speed TDK dual-clutch transmission. This system has been refined for even faster shifts and better power management between electric and combustion modes. The car features an intelligent all-wheel drive system, allowing each motor to operate independently based on grip, throttle input, and driving mode. Speaking of modes, the 2026 918 comes with several, ranging from full electric city driving to all-out track attack. In its full EV mode, the car can travel up to 80 kilometers thanks to its larger 28 kWh battery pack. With fast charging capabilities, it can recharge to 80% in under 20 minutes using Porsche's newest high-output charging infrastructure. Performance is, unsurprisingly, astonishing. The 2026 918 accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 1.9 seconds. 0 to 200 comes in under 5.8 seconds, and it continues to push forward with brutal intensity all the way to a top speed of 375 km per hour. Porsche has also reworked the suspension geometry with a new adaptive four-corner air suspension system and active rear steering that makes this car as comfortable on the road as it is dominant on the racetrack. Braking power has also seen a major leap forward. Massive carbon ceramic discs, paired with regenerative braking, provide unparalleled stopping power and energy recovery. The braking system has been integrated with the hybrid software to deliver seamless transitions between regenerative and mechanical braking, ensuring consistency and confidence in every situation. The chassis is also equipped with Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control and active anti-roll technology to maintain perfect balance and stability even under extreme lateral loads. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Porsche 918 blends minimalist design with futuristic technology. A fully digital curved display replaces traditional analog gauges and adapts to different drive modes. The center console is dominated by a vertical OLED touchscreen with haptic feedback that manages everything from navigation and infotainment to climate control and hybrid system settings. The steering wheel is multifunctional, with rotary mode selectors and custom performance toggles within easy reach. Bucket seats made of lightweight carbon composite provide exceptional support while maintaining comfort for long drives. Despite its track-ready focus, Porsche hasn't neglected luxury or connectivity. The 918 comes equipped with the latest Porsche Connect system, including over-the-air updates, voice-controlled navigation, and full smartphone integration. An augmented reality heads-up display projects key performance data and navigation cues onto the windshield, keeping the driver's focus forward at all times. Surround sound is delivered via a bespoke Burmester audio system, although most owners will likely prefer the mechanical symphony produced by the hybrid powertrain. The 2026 Porsche 918 is more than just a fast car. It represents Porsche's vision of what a hypercar should be in the electric era: sustainable, intelligent, and brutally fast. While its performance numbers alone place it in the upper echelon of modern hypercars, it's the harmony of engineering, design, and driver engagement that sets this machine apart. Every curve, every gear shift, and every burst of torque has been engineered to connect man and machine in a way that very few cars can achieve today. Production of the new 918 will be highly limited, with only around 918 units planned globally, paying homage to its predecessor. Porsche has already hinted at customizable variants through its exclusive manufacturer program, allowing buyers to tailor every detail of the car to their preference, from unique color schemes to specialized performance setups. With anticipated pricing starting well over $1.5 million, the 2026 918 will remain a rare and elite presence on the road. That wraps up our comprehensive look at the 2026 Porsche 918. It's a machine that defines where performance and sustainability meet and sets the tone for the next generation of supercars. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and want more updates on the world's most exciting cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Motorsports Mania for everything from hypercars and track beasts to classic legends and future icons.